This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so last session we did on Friday. It was short due to a connectivity issue. We had done only the material extension and creating a new material with reference existing, and we completed the material creation scenarios of all three stages. Now, moving forward, I was explaining you about the concept of the customer meta information, right? So, when you speak about customer material information, it is all about maintaining a combination of a group of materials. Sorry, maintain a combination of a customer and material. I'm sorry, not group of materials. That is other topic. So maintaining a combination of a customer and a material is all about customer material information. So first of all, for what purpose we work on info record, you need to understand. So customer material information is all about maintaining the track record of a customer for a material, or maintaining the track record of a material for a customer, vice versa. Right? So we create a customer material information in order to maintain the track record. Why we maintain the track record, sir? You may think. Now, understand one logic here. Think you are a customer going to a store very regularly. The employees who work in the store may not recognize you because they keep on changing, right? But the system, the store system will recognize you, right? That will not change. The database of the system, database of the store system will not change. The moment when your customer identity is entered, the store person start recognizing you. Sir, madam, I see you regularly coming in for so and so product. The product what you buy, there is an offer, there is a scheme, etc. etc. We see this, right? How this feature can be organized in SAP through info record. The new update as per the cloud is all about we can map this layout. I'm not on any SAP screen, I'm just explaining. Don't think we are unable to see. I'm just on the desktop. Okay. So we map this info record I'm going to create now to the order management, which is our coming topic. So that when we take the reference of the customer ID for a material, it will tell what material meant to the customer. That's a new update. Because today every company is web enabled, online, e-com, right? So without anybody's asking, system should give every details of the customer. When system should give every details of the customer means it should have every information organized which should respond automatically. So that's the logic of flow, what you need to understand here. That's the logic of flow, what you all need to understand. Right? So let me get into the SAP screen. Now here, before I go further, you need to understand two very important points. Number one is customer what we created. Number two is material what we created. So here what we are doing, what are the prerequisites required to work on customer meta information? I need a customer, I need a material. So this both combination we maintained as info record, right? So here 2 points need to be focused. Sales area, what we use to create a customer, to create a material. Both should match. This is very, very, very important. What sales area you use to create a customer, the same sales area need to be used to create a material. Customer belongs to Chennai, material belongs to Mumbai, means gone. Okay. So both should belongs to one sales area. Both should belong to one sales area. That's the point of clarity. That's the point of clarity here. So here itself, trainees make a lot of mistakes. But still, sir, while practicing randomly, I picked up my so sales area for creating a sold party. Randomly, I picked up the sales area of for material. It can be right. So even though you commit a mistake, still it can be fixed up. How? Because you all understand by now the extension, material extension part, right? You can work on extension. You can work on extension. Material extension you can work, and you can exchange, I mean, you can maintain the same sales area for both. So remember always here, what sales area you maintain for the material, that should match with your customer. It's not like according to the customer the material, it is like according to the material the customer. So please understand and remember this point. So the sales area what you maintain for the material, the same should be maintained for the customer. So if your sales area is mismatching, then you should go and extend the sales area of material maintained connected to the customer. Right? So let me get into SAP system now and start working on, because already we had created the customer, already we had created the material, right? Now we'll maintain the combination of both and we'll see how to work on the creation of this, right? Done. Now logistics. Okay, let me connect back. So logistics, sales and distribution, master data, agreements, customer material information. VD51, VD52, 53, and now you have an extra VD54. Till now we have not seen the concept of 4. Everywhere we have 1, 2, 3. Create, change and display only, right? So only for info record you have this concept. Only for info record you have this concept. Done. So what is the purpose of this? You will see exclusively. First let me go to VD51. So here I say extract the customer ID what we made, ZAR1, and the sales organization ZARS, and the distribution channel we made to online, sorry, direct enter. So it recognized Jyoti is the customer. Jyoti is the customer created in this sales location geographically at this direct sales team source. And here I need to pull my material. I say Zara. So Zara 100 I am taking. Now when I say enter, automatically the description should come here. When I say enter, automatically the description should come here. If the sales area is mismatched, you will not get to see the description. All right. So let's see what it says. Now I got the description. That means the sales area what I used to create a customer, the sales area what I used to create a material, both got connected. Both got connected. Right? So if you are not getting the description, then it start throwing an error down. It's not error, it start throwing a caution. Then you should go and extend. Then you should go and extend it. All right, done. Now I got it. I'll select the line and click on the details, info record details. You'll get a detailed screen. It got the information to be organized. Now in this, the very important and purposeful of this layout maintaining is these two fields. and we are going to map these two fields to order management. That is your sales documents. We're going to map it so that you'll see these two fields during the sales order process. Very, very important, very, very effective. See, doing this layout is very important and very simple also, but informative is more. How you'll see now. So here, who is our customer now? Who is Jyoti? Think Jyoti is the purchase manager of Shopper Stop. Think Jyoti is the purchase manager of Shopper Stop. She is the purchase manager. What is the material mean to Jyoti? I say Zara products for store stock. Okay, because if you go to Shopper Stop, you will see an exclusive counter for Zara. So this material is for Zara products for store stock. So she is a purchase manager of Shoppers Stop. She is the purchase manager of Shopper Stop. So when these two fields trigger during the sales order, when I take the reference of this customer Jyoti for this product, when these two fields trigger during the sales order, whomsoever user is accepting that order on behalf of Zara, they will come to know who is Jyoti. Oh, you are a purchase manager of Shopper Stop. So Zara will make a better deal maybe, or some special price maybe, or some health stock maybe, because you see some products exclusively you'll see in the shopping mall only, outside you will not see, or the price, some pricing is exclusively for some shop, for some store, not even online, not even the company store. Reasons are many. So customer identity, when the user is getting to know, he can make a better deal. That's the intention. And search term, I say Zara. Search term helps to recollect, to identify the missing information if you miss out anything. So done. And give the plant here. What is the plant? Say my plant. I say ZARP. And minimum delivery quantity I give as, whenever this customer come, he will buy not less than, think, some 100 products, because he is buying the stock for the all the outlets, right? So he's buying the stock for all these outlets. So whenever he come, he'll buy for a big count, right? So this particular product is, whenever he come, he'll take not just 100, because all over India there are so many outlets of Shopper Stop. So minimum delivery quantity for him it is 100. Okay. Now think, if Zara company is falling with short of stock, then how? Think, if Zara company falling with short of stock, then how? So always company prefer to know the customer's preferences. Under delivery tolerance, over delivery tolerance. Think you are regularly going to a store to buy, and the store person say, sir, anytime if you don't have the stock, what will be your tolerance? Something he just want to know what is your tolerance. So under delivery tolerance means कम से कम कितना ले सकते, తక్కువలో తక్కువలో ఎంత తీసుకోగలుగుతారు స్టాక్ లేకపోతే. It's a 50%. So normally whenever you are going to buy something, you are buying some, say 100 of some product. Store person say you are a regular customer to that outlet, and store person say, sir, we are falling a short of stock. Then you say, okay, at least give me 50 now and rest 50 in some time. Fine, done. So under tolerance means if the stock falls less, how much a customer can take? Minimum 50%. Over tolerance, think the company got more stock now. Company means Zara company got more stock and they want to push as much as to the customer, right? So how much ever company want to push, customer will not take, right? There will be some limitation. Think for example, you are going to a store to buy say a jacket. Your budget is some 10,000. But if the store person is showing you a jacket which is costing you 80,000, will you buy? No. Somewhere around 10,000 or 12, 13,000, you may move. If it is good, looking really good, 15,000 up till you may go. Sir, this is a designer and a limited only, what do you say, signing piece we got and it is costing 50,000. Will you think? No. So it may be price wise or it may be quantity wise. Over delivery tolerance is something 10 or 15%. Is a 10. Maybe price wise or maybe quantity wise. And there is something called unlimited tolerance. If you check this should not be marked. Unlimited means what? I am ready to buy. How much you have, kind of. They think about utilities, huge in demand but less in supply. So customer is willing to buy in huge, but companies have a limited supply. So customer point of view, I'm okay. Tell me how much you can. So when you mark unlimited tolerance, these both should not be given. That's all. So unlimited very rare. So this will give 50 and this will give 10. And maximum partial deliveries. For example, you are placing an order for some 100 products. And the Jyoti, the purchase manager, she will tell, deliver me 10 products a week or 10 products a month. All right. So default ordered quantity can be brokeable in 9 parts and deliver the product to the customer. Sir, what happened if the customer is having more preference above than 9? Yes, it can be, right? For example, think the shopper stop is signing a contract for 1,000 jackets as a quantity contract, and he say he will buy in 1 year time. As when and when you want, he will place an order. Maybe every day one order, maybe every week one order, maybe every month one order. No limitation. Default order can be brokeable into 9 partial deliveries. If beyond this you want, you need to go with contract, which will work lively in the coming days. We are going to customize our own contract types and we are going to execute that. It goes very interesting. So just understand, default order can be brokeable into 9 parts. Done. Continue. And item usage and partial derivative item, these all not, these both fields are not relevant for us. Ignore. Only these to be maintained. Save it now. Now, using our created customer, using our created material, we have created an info record. Done. Now, if we go to VD52, here the mandatory is the customer ID. If you say continue, it will not. For whom you want, I mean, whose details you want to see? Customer, right? Give your customer ID and sales organization and distribution channel. And continue. How many materials you maintained will start showing all. Okay. So you select the line and you click on details, it starts showing all in edit mode. It is showing all in edit mode here. It is showing all in edit mode here, right? Wherever whatever changes you want to make, you can change here. For example, here I say yes, I missed to give, for example, upper stop. Done. Change it. Saved. The changes will be saved. So 52 you are opening, you are making some changes and corrections purpose. 53 if you go for this customer, if you are not giving any material, how many materials you might have maintained, it starts showing all. If you are giving material, it shows only that material. I'm sorry, please. If you are giving a material, it shows only that material info record. If you are leaving this field blank and continuing, it starts showing all. Since we maintain only one, it is showing one. Okay, select the line details. You can see all, but you cannot edit it here because it is only viewing purpose. For this customer, how many list of materials you maintained as info record? That's all. Now VD54, if I go here, customer is not mandatory. Can you see a check mark material? Zara. So this material got how many list of customers? It will show customers. And details if we go the same again. Sir, what is the purpose of customer point of view and material point of view? There is a lot of preferences. This itself is the main. Think now India financial year we are about to. So companies will come up with lot of clearance sale. We're in the almost coming to mid of January now. Or okay, just week of January done. And once February done means March, April, our Indian financial year. A lot of companies want to clear the stock. They want to clear 2024 stock now. So for a material, how frequently a customer is there, how they will come to know? This 53 will help. Sorry, this 54 will help. This material, how many customers are there? I want to see. Oh, Zara purchase products for store stock. Okay, then who is this? Let me see. Oh, shopper stock purchase manager. So he will approach. They'll make a better deal. So understand the purpose here, please. When you understand the purpose, you will get every clarity of the practicality of how they are being used. Now, there are some esteemed customers to Zara. Company want to retain their customers by giving the best benefits. So, company want to know who are the frequent customers for this product. Sorry, what I mean to say. This customer is coming for which products frequently? Oh, he's buying these products frequently. Are there any offers running up? Let me avail them. So viewing purpose is for multiple. Expiring stock can be cleared, new promotions can be focused on a high rated customers, and regular customers need to be given some promotion information. Your thought is heights. Usage of this application got a maximum explosion. So doing is very simple. We maintain a customer, we maintain a material, two or three fields to maintain, done. But informative is more, organizing is more, usage of preferences is more. That is what you need to understand. Sir, where we map this in the coming days, probably not tomorrow, day after tomorrow when I start the chapter order management, the sales documents I'm going to start customizing. Or there you will see how to map this info record. And where you can see the output after we customize the documents, when we execute the document for a transactions, you can see how it reacts and responds automatically in the front end system for a user information purpose. So that's about your info record in terms of creating and in terms of connecting with a material for a customer, connecting a customer for a material, connecting a material for a customer, both the way. Sorry, let me come back again. Just a minute. Allow me a minute, please. Yes. So here, organization master data, customer master data, material master data, info record. Till here we are done. Now tomorrow I'm going to start with this bills of material. Sir, what is bills of material? You may think. And if I ask you also bills of material, you may say it is all about billing purpose. You may say yes. But before that, the product presentation, product proposals, both are synced and introduced through this topic. So what is bills of material, how it works, how we bridge the relation among the products in terms of relation, in how many ways it can be expressible, all you will be understanding in tomorrow's session. So in one line, if I say bills of material, it is all about when you got a group of materials to be presented as a single product, you explore it through bills of material. When a list of materials to be presented as a single product, we explore it through bills of material. Sir, why this? You may think. So when we are going for a shopping, we see only a product. But a product, when presented on the sales counter, what all the content connected to that? This nobody will think. But for the company, every expense has got some expenditure. So bills of material is used by finance module, production module, inventory module, sales module. So why finance guys? A group of expenses to come up with the product costing. Why production? A group of raw materials to make a finished product. Why inventory? A group of component to store. Why sales? A group of materials as a single product. Declaration of relations among the list of materials to be presented as a single product. So I'll explain multiple uh, examples. If it is automobile, or if it is textiles, or if it is consumer durables, or it is electronics, how this bills of material will fits into. I'll explain and I'll connect the same example to our Zara and we'll see the execution so that you can react to any kind of business process understanding very easily. So that is what we'll see in tomorrow's session. All right. So keep working on till date and make sure everybody is downloading recordings of every day and follow at your leisure. And good, I see some of you text me with some errors. Yes, I'm there to help you out. But more, spend time on listening to the recordings and develop a capability on speaking on the subject. Doing is very simple. You play the recording, you'll do it. But why we're doing? What is the topic? How it is used in practical life? That is real time. When you speak this, you can crack any interview. All right. So thank you all and see you in tomorrow's session. Do join on time with the same meeting link.